Welcome to JH. Today we're pitting the VSeeBox against the Roku. Two streaming experiences so different they might as well be from different planets. Which one actually fits your lifestyle in 2025, or are you just buying gadgets to fill the void? The VSeeBox is the clear overachiever here, running on Android 14 with 8K HDR playback and split-screen multitasking. It's perfect for sports fans and gamers who apparently have the attention span of a goldfish and need to watch three things at once. Then there's Roku, the king of just make it work. It's a simple plug-and-play affair that focuses on affordability and mainstream apps. While the VSeeBox is built for power users who treat their living room like a NASA command center, Roku is for the casual streamer who just wants to find the Netflix button without having a mental breakdown. It's cheap and reliable, which is a polite way of saying it's basic, but at least it won't judge your viewing habits. The VSeeBox offers future-proof 8K and gaming features, though you'll be paying a premium price for 8K content that is currently harder to find than a quiet neighbor. Meanwhile, Roku's downsides include limited resolution and performance that's occasionally as sluggish as a turtle on a Sunday stroll. If you crave premium multitasking and raw power, the VSeeBox is your winner. If you just want to watch your shows and save some cash for actual food, stick with the Roku.